Chem 1083. My name is Ryan Webb. Today we're going to be going over the toxin lindane, and we're going to find out some of its basic chemical structures and compounds. Over the next couple slides and presentations, I'm going to be reviewing over the formula, the structure, the chemical classification, physical properties, basic chemical properties, history, some of its recent events, and then ultimately we're going to find out if it's a hero or a villain. Hi, welcome back. Let's break down the structure of lindane. First, we're going to start with the formula. It's going to have 6 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 6 chlorides. Secondly, the structure is going to be a cyclohexane with chlorides surrounding it on each branch. Then, the compound classification will break down into such as the kingdom, organic compound, the superclass is an organohalide, the class is an alkyl halide, and the subclass is a cyclohexyl halide, which ultimately makes it a hexachlorocyclohexane. Hi, welcome back. Let's break down lindane just a little bit further. We're going to follow the physical properties first. The molecular weight of lindane is 290.83 grams per mole. The melting point is 112.5 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is 323.4 degrees Celsius. Even further, we're going to go into the basic chemical properties. The toxicity level of lindane has an LD of 88 milligrams per kilogram in rats, and it also has 1,000 milligrams per kilogram in humans as a dermal component. Which brings us to, it causes irritants, an acute toxin, and it has a health and environmental hazard. Alright, let's break down lindane just a little bit further. Originally, it was synthesized by Michael Faraday in 1825, who is an English scientist who specifically studied in electromagnetism. But originally, Teunis van der Linden was the one who was able to isolate and describe the drug itself in 1912, which ultimately became a hexachlorocyclohexane. But finally, the pesticidal aspect became effective in 1942 by the EPA. Also, not to mention that the FDA allowed it to be a pubicidal suppressant for people who had STDs of crabs and other such things as head lice or scabies. Alright, let's catch up on some recent news for the molecule lindane. In 2006, it was banned by 52 countries and restricted by another 33 countries for use within its borders. Then, in 2009, the Stockholm Convention internationally banned it for agricultural use. Ultimately, India and Russia are now the only leading producers for this product. However, multiple companies do have access to it and can be bought worldwide. Alright, before I conclude my presentation, we need to find out if this molecule is a hero or a villain. Ultimately, my choice would be that it's a villain. With all the descriptions of it being an irritant, has acute toxins, and it's a health and environmental hazard, I don't think we can label it as a hero. Also, not to mention that it has a secondary source for pubicidal treatment and for scabies, that the dermal use of this product is no longer allowed on humans. Therefore, we need to label it as a villain. Thank you for your time and attention, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.